think you got him that time.
Yeah, he is dead. He had the light on, so I could barely see when I shot.
He's a bastard, isn't it?
I thought I tapped him in the head because I could see his head, and then
Does someone have
the light
flashlight on?
blinded it. Oh, wait!
On our building.
Where?
I saw
Thought
someone
I heard a step inside.
top of the stairs over here. Someone crossed.
I don't have a flashlight. I hear
No.
sprinting. Are you guys sprinting around Stronghold?
We are not moving. We are on the stairs close to the extract. Nate?
Boys, I'm rushing power.
I think that might be something.
Yeah,
inside.
they're here.
Right, we've been in 7.5 minutes. Can you get to extract?
Okay. I'm getting out.
was
I'm
on.
getting out.
I'm dead.